the women in this world. Women are multi-skilled as they can perform their duties at home and workplace. Though we are so talented, we generally ignore our own wellness for the sake of our home and profession. This recipe is a fully loaded high protein dry fruit sweet laddu. We are not adding sugar or jaggery for the sweetness. To know the secret, let's see the video. Happy Women's Day! These are the ingredients I will be using to make high protein dry fruits laddu. Dates 1 cup. Mixed dry fruits 1 cup. Almonds half cup. Cashews half cup. Pistachios half cup. Dry coconut powder half cup. This is pumpkin seeds. Till seeds 1/4 cup. Flax seeds 1/4 cup. Cardamom powder 1 spoon. Ayurvedic honey 1/4 cup. Homemade ghee. I am adding 2 spoons. Boil water and soak dates for an hour. Soak the dates for an hour. For binding purpose, we are adding oats half cup. Take a kadai, dry oats in low flame. We can take dry fruits according to our choice. We will heat dry fruits. Add almonds. Let us beat the dry fruits once in mixer. Ensure it's not powdered. Now let us lightly roast the cashews, pistachios, Adding pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, till seeds, roast in medium flame. This is grinded coarse oats. This is dry fruit mixer. Put 1 spoon ghee in a kadai. Start with dates mixer. For sweetness, we are not adding sugar or jaggery. These dates will give sweetness to the laddus. Add dry fruits and mix them well. Cook in medium flame. Add pistachio, cashews, pumpkin seeds, hill seeds. Alanta mixer. Now I am adding dry coconut. Add oats also. Mix them well. For sweetness, we have added 1/4 cup of Ayurvedic honey. Now the cooking process is over. Once the mixer is cooled, let's make laddus. Our high protein sweet laddus are ready. Thank you for watching.